today in my house.
Okay.
At my house.
Mute yourself now. You both are relatives? Okay. Let recording starts, and by the time, listen the instructions now, students. Children, everything. Good morning once again to all of you. Listen now,
Good
children.
morning.
Yeah, all the
Good morning, ma'am.
information regarding your timetable, regarding your section, your class, your bus route, all the information we are going to share you in the classroom today by the evening after 5 o'clock. So expect after 5 o'clock, not expect, don't expect before 5 o'clock. So don't start sending the mails and write it in the classroom. And where is the mail? Where is the classroom details? Where are the timetable? We are going to send you after 5 o'clock. So please take a note. Please check your classroom regarding the timetable as well as regarding the your section and the grades available, because we are going to change now the sections and the grades according to the offline classes. So check your classroom, your timetable also we will send, as well as we will send you the bus routes. So all this information we are going to post in the your classroom. Am I clear to you all? Any doubt till here?
Ma'am, I don't have my ID card, so
It's
when we
okay.
will get our new
It's
ID
okay.
card?
We have not given ID cards to any child till now. So, am I clear on this point?
So, ma'am, we have to wear third grade ID card and come.
No need to wear any ID card. You just come with the uniform, school uniform. Okay? Just give me a minute.
Ma'am, the socks.
Okay. Everything will be from the tuck shop you can get. Okay? So all the information related to your section, your class, your grades, and your timetable, your bus routes, everything we are going to share with you in the your classroom after 5 o'clock. And please take a note, those who are attending online classes, all the material related to the worksheet, your classroom that you are going to attend in the activity classroom, all worksheets related to all subjects. जो भी subject की class है, that also you are going to attend in the, means today till night 12 o'clock your classroom will be worked, and after that we are not going to put anything in your classroom. Everything we are going to put your homework, your classes, online classes, everything will be in the activity classroom, not in 4A. Nothing will be in 4A after today. Am I clear? Your classroom will be there. We are not going to remove you from your 4A classroom, but we are not going to post anything in the 4A classroom. Everything will be posted, your work, your online classes, everything related to the school will be posted in the your grade 4 activity classroom. After, from tomorrow, not from today. Today, all the information in your grade 4A classroom. Am I clear? Clear everyone? No doubts? Can I move to your topic now today? Okay. Yes, please hit Heer, Varinya, Kiana, sit properly, and please come back to your Bhakti. Turn on your camera, please. Yes, hit. Please ask.
Ma'am, my father goes to tuck shop to buy my uniforms and shoes. So shoes is dirty.
The
We
shoes
can
which
change.
you got from the school.
Yes, ma'am.
You can talk to the tuck shop department, because I'm not aware about this. You can consult with them. They will help you.
Ma'am, there is
What
tuck
is
shop.
tuck shop is in school? Acha, you are the new student, Bhakti, right? Tuck shop is the shop where you get the uniform, your books, and the dress and your shoes. Everything is available in this shop, which is in the school, and it's called as a tuck shop. Okay, you can buy your uniform, buy your books, buy whatever the stationery, whatever the things you want to buy related to the school, come and buy from the tuck shop. Clear? Can I move to the next topic now? Today's topic.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
As you know, Heer, please turn on your camera. Varenya, turn on your camera. As you know, we are doing the multiplication. So first we have done multiply with the row and column. Then we have done the long method of the multiplication. Now we are moving to the next topic, which is multiplication on the number line. Now you will say, ma'am, how to do the multiplication on the number line? Suppose if I tell you to make the groups. Suppose I give you the 4 chocolates. Okay. Sorry, I'm giving you the 8 chocolates, suppose. 8 chocolates I'm giving you, and if I say 4 multiply by 8, what does this line means? 4 multiply by 8. 4 times 8. Sorry, 4
32.
multiply by 2. Sorry, 4 multiply by 2 if I say. 4 times 2. Yes or no?
8. 8.
4 times 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 means 4 times 2. So here, how many times 2 you are going to take means each group will have how many chocolates?
2.
2. Are you all clear? No. Laisha, I think you're not clear. I'm going to present my screen and will explain you in the better way. Can you all able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes,
It's
ma'am.
written multiplication on the number line. So it is 4 multiplied by 2, and 4 multiplied by 2 means 4 times 2, right? And 4 means times 2. 2 और कैसे groups of group we are
Where we have to write.
going to put
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
slowly it will be okay. Now my voice is
Yes,
coming,
sir.
students.
Yes, ma'am.
But your skin is blurred.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Give me 1 minute. Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, you are stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will let me check the net. Now, students, now I am audible. Okay. So now I'm going to.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, give me 1 minute. So now I'm going to present you my screen. And you just have to first understand, then we'll give you the enough time to write also. Okay, don't worry about the writing first. First, you need to understand the concept of the number line. This is 4 multiplied by 2. Am I clear? This is if I give you 4 multiplied by 2, what does this means? Multiplication means times. How many times? 4 times 2 and 4 groups of 2. This is also called 4 times 2, also called 4 groups of 2. And you can see that 4 times 2 I have written. Clear, everyone? And now I want to show this on the number line. So I will show you the number line also, how to make a number line. This is the number line. The gap between the numbers should be same when you make the number line. And always the number line start from 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. This way the number line will be extended. Now there is no limitation of, ma'am, you will ask, ma'am, till how much number we have to make the number line. There is no limitation. It depends on your problem. आपकी question क्या है? Right? And the gap जो है उसका वो same होना चाहिए. So from the starting, take the little gap, not the 1 centimeter gap. No, I'm not telling this much gap is appropriate, compulsory fix. No, you can take the gap between the numbers according to you. कि सारे numbers आपके, अगर suppose if I say 4 multiplied by 5, 4 5 is 20, right? So 20 तक reach होने के लिए आपकी number line इतनी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, because number line give you the product at last. So means your answer should reach to the 20. तो आपकी number line इतनी 20 तक होनी चाहिए. So to make the number line till 20, it is compulsory for you have to reduce the gap between the numbers. Clear everyone? How to make the number line? So always start from 0. As I said, 4 multiplied by 2 is 2 groups of 4. So we always start from 0 to 2 is the one group, 2 to 4 is the another group, 4 to 6 is the another group, and 6 to 8 is the another group. Am I clear? So you're now, when you are reaching to the last one is your product, 8. This is clear? Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
No. I will give you more example. First you note down this and clear this, and then we will discuss. When you do more examples, you will be more clear. So please start writing, students. Multiplication on number line, give the heading, write today's date.
Ma'am, in math book or revision?
Maths notebook. Please keep in your mind that revision is the topic which is the previous topic. जो आप उसका revision कर रहे हैं. This is the new topic. New topic you always do in the maths notebook, not in the revision. Are you all doing? My dear, when I present the screen, I will not able to see you all.
Yes.
Let me take the attendance and then I will present my screen again. Please write. Suppose, see, right now I have given 4 multiplied by 2. And if I reverse this, if I change the multiplicand and the multiplier by just reversing, if I say 2 multiplied by 4, the whole scenario will be changed. 2 multiplied by 4 means how many groups of 2? How many groups of 4? Sorry.
2.
2.
2 groups of 4.
4.
Because first number is 2. 2 groups of 4. And when you jump on the number line, you will jump from 0 to, first jump will be from 0 to
8.
No, 0 to
0 to 4.
First jump will be from 0 to 4. And the second jump will be from 4 to 8. So have you seen the difference? दोनों में ही 8 है. But the difference is, first is you are jumping each time 2. And the second is, the difference is you are taking a skip of 4 times each. Okay. So do it, complete it.
I'm done.
Great.
Done, ma'am.
Number line done. Ma'am, we have to write this 5 multiplied by 4 also.
No, first write the first one and then we'll explain you the second also.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
first
Then
one
first one.
completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. So now after completing the first one, I want to show you the number line of the first one. Please make the number line also. This is the number line of the first one. So make the number line also.
Ma'am, I don't have so much space.
That's the reason I told you, no, don't make this much big line. अगर आपने 10 तक के नंबर की भी लाइन बना दी, then also it's okay because your number product is coming when you're reaching to 8. आप 8 पे पहुंच गए, आपका प्रोडक्ट आ गया, तो आप 10 तक भी बनाओगे, इट्स ओके योर नंबर लाइन. क्लियर? नंबर लाइन में आपका प्रोडक्ट तक आप रीच होने चाहिए. सेकंड में आप, इफ योर प्रोडक्ट इज 20, so it is compulsory to make at least 21, 22 numbers on the number line. Clear? Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am. Done.
Please do it. Do the first one and then we'll show you the second also. Give me 1 minute. I'll stop. Once you complete, please let me know, okay?
Completed.
Let everyone also complete.
Ma'am, can I take 2 jumps at a time?
Yes? What
Can
happened?
I take 2 jumps at a time?
It is not up to your choice. It is up to the situation what is given to you. है ना भक्ति? भक्ति choice नहीं है इसमें. Here is not a choice. It's saying 4 times 2 means how many times 2? 4 times 2. Means each time there should be a 2 and you have to take 2 jumps like 4 times. Second is 5 times 4.
Ma'am.
How many times 4? 5 times 4.
Ma'am, so can I do 5
हाँ,
times
5
4?
multiplied by 2 का पूरा डिटेलिंग करें और लिखो.
Ma'am, like 4 multiplied by 2, we have written 4 times 2, 4
See,
groups
I'm
of
showing
2.
you, yes.
So
5
we
times
have,
4, 5 groups of 4
yeah,
and this way.
this
First
are
we will
this
this way and then make the number
line.
line. Clear? And then make the number line in this way. Please do it fast. Then I have to move to the next.
Ma'am, can you show the second one? Ma'am, can you show the second one?
The second one is 5 multiplied by 4, and first we have to write like 4 multiplied by 2. We have written 5 times 4, 5 groups of 4. We have to do that only.
Just a minute. What happened? What happened?
Ma'am, Bhakti was telling she wants the second one.
She wants the
Second one question.
second one. Second one is this one. 5 multiplied by 4.
Ma'am,
5 times 4.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, number line also.
5 groups of 4.
Ma'am, we have third question.
First, you do 2 questions, make the number line of
I
both
will
the questions, Then you have to make at least 2 questions by your own and show me your notebook. I want to see everyone's notebook. 2 questions by your own with the number line. Let me present your screen, my screen to you all.
Ma'am, after the second one, we have to make two of our own.
Ma'am, can you explain me once again?
Yes, someone was asking something. What happened?
Yes, ma'am, I do not
Ma'am, we have to make two of our own.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Can I stop the presentation and see your notebooks?
No, ma'am, I did not understand the sum. Can you explain me?
Okay. You want to see the sum again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See from the beginning and try to understand from the beginning, Ahana. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to present you my screen again.
Ma'am, I am making the number line only of my
Okay.
own. Then I will show you.
Ahana, if I give you 4 multiplied by 2, see the
Yes.
digits, right? 4 multiplied by 2. If I tell you 4 multiplied by 2, so you will, multiplication means times. How many times 2? 4 times 2.
4 times
So
2.
4 times 2 it is, if you write it into the words. And it is also called 4 groups of 2. And how to represent the 4 groups of 2 into the numbers? 4 groups of 2. 2, 2 ke 4 groups. Got it?
Ma'am, I have done one.
Let me talk with Ahana only. Ahana, till here you are clear? Ahana, till here you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
4 times multiplication. If I reverse this question, अगर मैं इसको reverse कर देती हूँ,
2
अगर इसको
multiplied.
2 multiply by 4 करती हूँ,
Ma'am, it will be 2 times 4 and 2 groups of 4. And ma'am, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
No, 4 will be only 2 times because 2 groups of 4.
Yes.
4 के कितने groups? 2 groups. आपने एक basket ली, 8 apples थे, एक दो ही basket है आपके पास. So you will put 4 apples in the each basket, right?
Yes.
हाँ, same way.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then represent it on the number line. तो जब आप 2 multiply by 4 को represent करोगे number line पे, so how you will represent, Ahana? Can you explain me? Your first jump will be from 0 to which number?
Ma'am, you are saying 4 multiplied by 2, no?
2 multiply by 4.
So, ma'am, my first jump will be on
Because आपको 2 ही group बनाने हैं, each group having 4.
yes, ma'am, I will jump on 2 first.
So from 0 to 4 you will go first jump, and from 4 to 8 you will be the second jump.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes.
This is the difference.
Okay, ma'am.
4 के 2 groups बनाओगे, then also you are reaching on 8. और 2 के 4 groups बनाओगे, then also you are reaching on 8. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have made two.
Any doubt to any child till here?
I have done
Now
one.
please raise your hand. Varinya, Varija, any doubt? Varinya, I can see you are not studying. Any doubt to you in the number line? No? Muhammad Patel, any doubt to you? Mohammed, can you give me one example? Mohammed, if I say 5 multiplied by 3, what does this mean? 5 multiplied by 3. Tell me, what does this 5 multiplied by 3 means?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm doing this only, which you said right now. I was doing that.
Kiana, will you explain me what is 5 multiplied by 3? Wait a minute, let me put the headphone.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can I say?
Kiana, will you explain 5
Ma'am,
multiplied
can
by
I explain?
No, let me ask from Kiana only. Yes, Kiana.
Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15.
I don't want the direct answer. The way I have explained you. How many
Okay.
groups? How many groups you are making?
5 groups of 3.
So in each group, how many? Suppose you have 15 pencil and you are making 5 groups. And how many pencils will be in the each group?
3.
Very good. And if you start on the number line, you always start from which number?
0.
And your first jump, according to your sum, 5 multiplied by 3, your first jump will be from 0 to?
3.
Second will be 3 to?
3 to 1 minute.
Because each time you have to jump 3
Yes,
3
ma'am.
numbers.
5.
0 to 5 कैसे? How? 0 to 3 and then 3 to 6 it will be.
Okay, ma'am.
3 के बाद 4 5 6 3 numbers और count करने हैं आप.
Mama,
Okay? Don't count the 3 you have already reached. So leave the 3 4 5 6. After 6 you will be on which number then?
After 6, I will be on 10.
नहीं
No,
बेटा.
9.
9. And after 9?
After 9, at
Remember
12.
ये 3 की table जा रही है. Yes.
12.
And after 12?
15.
Got it? So
Yes.
ultimately you are getting the answer on the number line पे आपको answer मिला?
Yes, ma'am.
This way you have to solve this.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Show me your sums.
Ma'am, I have done 2 sums at my own.
So show me your sums in your notebook.
Ma'am, I also had done 2.
Okay, I am checking Varija. How are you? 0 to, your answer is 2 multiplied by 8. Varija, I am checking you. 2 multiplied by 8 means 2 groups of 8. This is wrong. Varija, 2 groups of 8. 8. First number is 2. Another number is 8. So this 2 multiplied by 8 means 2 groups of 8. Got it? So only you have to make your first group from 0 to 8, 8 to 16. Yes, another student, Priyag, show me. 2 into 5, 2 times 5, 2 groups of 5. 2 groups of 5 means 0 to 5, 5 to 10. Good. Next
Ma'am,
is
My both sum is done.
8 group of 2. 8 group of 2. So 8 groups of 2. Your first group will be from 0 to 2, 2 to 6, 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. 8 groups of 2 बनाने हैं प्रयाग. Not 2 groups of 8. 8 groups of 2. आपने language भी लिखी है.
Ma'am, Yug.
8 times 2. How many times 2? 8 times 2. Right? So your first group will be from 0 to 2. Yes, Yug. I'm pinning Yug, then I will pin Hit. 7 groups of 3. Yes. So 3, then 6, then very good. Another is 8 into 2. 8 groups of 2. This is wrong. 8 groups of 2 wrong hai. Here, what are you doing? You're writing 8 groups of 2, but you are doing 2 plus 2 plus 2. You are making the groups of 2, not the 8.
Ma'am,
Okay, so 2 groups of 8.
No, it is right. It is right. 8 groups
Okay,
of 2.
ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, Bhakti.
And show me, Priyag, show me yours also again. Let me check.
Ma'am, after Heath can mir.
8, yours is wrong. You have made the group of 8. So it should be groups of 2. 8 groups of 2. Bhakti, let me pin.
Ma'am, Heath.
Bhakti has written 2 multiplied by 2 groups of 3, 3 plus 3. So 1, 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. Yes, Bhakti, right. Then 5 to 2, 5 groups of 2. So your first group 0 to 2. Yes, Bhakti, you are right. Then
Ma'am, mir.
Hit, I am going to pin you. Hit your first is 6 multiplied by 3. 6 groups of 3. So 3 plus 3, how many times? 6. So 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, and 12 to 15, and 15 to, yes, first is right. 7 into 2. 7 groups of 2. So you have to 2 times each jump, yes. And please make a note that you have to make a number line with the pencil and scale neatly. Your mountains also should come neatly the way Laisha had made. Laisha, bit clear, her work is bit clear and neat. 6 groups of 2. So first, yes, 6 into 2 is 6 times 2, 6 groups of 2. What is the first question? One more. No, not this. This is the story problem you are showing me. It is 5 multiplied by 3. 5 groups of 3. Yes. Any other child? Janya, show me. Ahana, show me. Show me Mir. Okay, Mir, show me your notebook. I am going to send you the worksheet based on this. Wait a minute, Mir. Mir, I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the same concept today. Okay. So if you not get enough space in the worksheet, please do it in the notebook and attach your work. So it
Excuse
is
me, ma'am.
8,
How it
8
is correct?
multiplied by 3. It is what you have written. 8 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 3? 3 multiplied by 3.
3 multiplied by.
So 3 groups of 3. So each group will be 3 plus 3. Yes. Next is 4 multiplied by 3 means 4 groups of 3. Okay.
Ma'am, now it is correct.
And your number line numbers are very much closer, and please make a note of it. The number line should be neat. 8 groups of 2. Yes. And you have missed that line, Priyag. You have not written 2 plus 2 plus 2 8 times. वो ग्रुप कोई बात नहीं है, नंबर लाइन से ऊपर जो स्पेस है वहां लिख लो. Clear? Hana, I want to see your work. Jani, I want to see your work. Please show me your work. Varinya, Varija.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Varinya.
Ma'am, I showed you.
That was wrong. So need to show me the correct one. And can you read it for me?
Yeah,
6
ma'am.
times 2.
6 multiplied by 6 times 2. 6 groups of 2. 2
So how many
plus
times
2.
2? How many times 2?
2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see. Your number line is half, not visible properly. And please take a note, use the proper scale and pencil to draw the number line.
Ma'am, my handwriting is a little big.
Improve it, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Priyag, I will pin you and see. Yes. Nice work. Very good. Jania, let me pin you. Yes, Mir, you can go. 8 into 2. It's 8 into 2, right? Second one. What is written? 8 into 2 or 2 into 2?
No, ma'am, 2 into 2 and for second one and first one 4 into 2 and second one is 2 into 2.
Show me the notebook. Okay. 2 into 2 means 2 groups of 2. So बस आप 2 ही ग्रुप बनाएंगे. 2 groups of 2. 2 plus 2. तो आपने 2 plus 2 इतनी बार क्यों लिखा है? 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 groups of 2 बनाना है. एक ग्रुप 2 का, दूसरा ग्रुप भी 2 का. Yes, Varija, let me pin you. 2 into 8. Again, it is wrong. Wait. 2 into 2 groups of 8. Yes, it's right, but your number line is not neat. You have not used the pencil and scale properly. It is just showing the rough work. And please write all the steps which I have shown you. Then only you will, when you repeat these steps, you will remember it, what is the concept behind it. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, in HRM, I want to tell a Paheli.
हाँ, ये कर दो ना, 10 मिनट है ना, ये इसमें किसमें करना है, कोई क्लिक करना है. हाँ, yes. Can I? Yeah, I'm going to stop the class now. Stop the recording
Ma'am,
and.
after Prayag, I will also tell a